This is not a regular comparison video. In 2026, where the job market is saturated, we are looking for the best tool which will actually get you hired. Why listen to me? I have worked in a startup as an automation engineer, and now I work as SDET in a product-based testing company where I have been closely working with Selenium, Playwright, and Cypress. So this is no theory, it is coming from the field. Before getting started, what usually beginners think is companies expect you to write automation scripts and some locators and just write the code, but that's not all. Companies want you to think like a user, understand the user flow, and break the product before the user does. A good automation engineer understands the user flow, understands the edge cases, and based on that, writes scripts which covers all the areas. Now, as we know what the companies are expecting from us, let's understand where each of these tools lies in 2026. Let's start with Selenium. Many refer to this one as old one, yet it still somehow dominates the job market. Let me be clear. All the big companies, bank companies, insurance companies, they rely heavily on Selenium and as their legacy frameworks are set up on it. So they don't easily want to migrate. Selenium, it is kind of difficult to understand, and the code structure, you need to have better coding skills. But see, if something is difficult and the skill set it needs is complex, it creates job security. The next one is the guy who has changed the automation landscape, Playwright. Playwright is like how Selenium would have been if it was built today. There are many companies which are using Playwright as default, not because Selenium failed, it's because Playwright has reduced engineering efforts. Playwright is like you are investing early into a stock which is about to explode. There are many benefits of using Playwright right now, which you all can see here, but there are few job openings compared to Selenium, and the ecosystem is also a bit smaller compared to Selenium. Next, we come on to Cypress. This one is loved by developers. It is heavily used into companies where the developers are the one who are automating or writing the test cases as well. And it has its own benefits, but when you compare it in scale, Selenium and Playwright easily win it. So before asking which tool is best, let's understand uh, what questions you should be asking. If you want a job quickly, I'll say we go for Selenium. If you want a future-proof career, we learn Selenium as well as Playwright. And if we are just starting and like getting into automation and stuff, let's Cypress can be a good choice. See, one important thing is tools won't get you rejected. Your fundamentals do. uh, if there's a good tester, like a best tester in Selenium, they can easily outperform an average tester who has been using the latest tools. So it's like how good your experience and how good your fundamentals are. Based on that, you can easily dominate the market. See, if I were to start in 2026, I would start with Selenium and enter the market. After that, learn Playwright and stay ahead of the market. And if you are able to stack all of them, because that's what the best thing is, you should be versatile. You should know all of them. Just master one or two of them, but have the knowledge of the third one as well. And then you can easily outperform anyone. So the best thing is to stack them up. So that's all from my side. You can check out the playlist on the channel where I am teaching automation for free, and we'll see you in the next video.